Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we are going to walk you through the simple process of adding a payment method in Clickbank, because we believe adding a payment method is a crucial step if you are an affiliate, marketer, vendor, or someone who uses Clickbank to receive payments for your products or services. But before we dive into all of it, make sure to hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Now, adding a payment method to in Clickbank is really easy. All you're gonna do, if you don't have an account yet, sign up for a free account. You're gonna go to a clickbank.com, and once you've done that, log in using your credentials, and we hover here to a helpful step-by-step guide on how to enable add a payment method or enable direct deposit. So first off is log into your account. Okay, and once you've logged into your account, click the account settings tab, which is at the top of the homepage. Step 3 will be find the payment information box and click edit right here, and you're gonna select the direct deposit radial button here. After selecting the direct deposit, you should provide the required banking information here, such as the bank country, bank city, and bank name. Right? Obviously, you have to read, review, and accept the terms and conditions. And once you've done that, click Save Changes. Remember, once you provide the required information, agree to the terms and conditions, click the Save Changes button. A dialog box will prompt you to double check that your account information is correct. Click the OK button to proceed. And once you click OK and confirm that the information is correct, a confirmation email is sent to the email address listed in your account. And of course, you're gonna confirm your payment method change by clicking the confirmation link in your email. And once you receive the email confirmation, open it, click that link, and that will finalize the payment method change, and add additional email will be sent indicating that the account has been updated. So I suggest you go here at this support page. They are also giving other information, so I would highly suggest to go here, read and understand. They also have like a simple tutorial about how to receive payment by wire transfer and by Payoneer and whatnot. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.